ServSafe Manager Ohio Practice Test. Question 1. During an audit, reheating TCS food temperature is evaluated by 165 degrees Fahrenheit 74 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds, 135 degrees Fahrenheit 57 degrees Celsius, 155 degrees Fahrenheit 68 degrees Celsius, 145 degrees Fahrenheit 63 degrees Celsius. TCS food for hot holding must be reheated to 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 2. To ensure quality, ventilation purpose must follow. Removes grease/smoke, heats food, cools food, dries dishes. Ventilation systems remove odors and grease. Question 3. Which action is necessary for jaundice relates to which virus? Rotavirus, norovirus, hepatitis A, HIV. Jaundice is a yellowing of the skin/eyes associated with hepatitis A. Question 4. When monitoring HACCP Principle 3, one must look for: establish critical limits, verify, monitor, correct. Step 3 is setting limits, example, min temp. Question 5. The most critical factor in ciguatera toxin sources: poultry, predatory reef fish, shellfish, ground beef. Ciguatera comes from toxins in algae eaten by reef fish. Question 6. When monitoring Giardia duodenalis, one must look for: toxin, parasite from feces, bacteria, virus. Giardia is a parasite spread via feces. Question 7. In the context of food safety, MSDS purpose involves: chemical safety info, inventory lists, work schedules, food recipes. Material safety data sheets, now SDS, provide chemical safety details. Question 8. The most critical factor and minimum distance from floor for storage is: 6 inches, 4 inches, 10 inches, 2 inches. Store food at least 6 inches, 15 centimeters, off the floor. Question 9. To ensure quality, handwashing station requirement must follow: signage, trash can, soap, paper towels. Stations must have water, soap, drying method, trash, and sign. Question 10. Why is minimum temperature for fruits/veggies important in a kitchen? 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 135 degrees Fahrenheit 57 degrees Celsius, 155 degrees Fahrenheit, 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Fruits, veggies, and grains for hot holding need 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 11. The safest method for maximum fridge storage time, TCS, is 3 days, 10 days, 7 days, 5 days. Prepared TCS food can be stored for 7 days at 41 degrees Fahrenheit or lower. Question 12. The standard procedure for safe temperature for ground pork includes: 135 degrees Fahrenheit, 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 155 degrees Fahrenheit, 155 degrees Fahrenheit 68 degrees Celsius. Ground pork requires 155 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 13. The correct way to measure raw poultry storage is: bottom shelf, top shelf, above seafood, middle shelf. Raw poultry goes on the bottom shelf to prevent dripping on other foods. Question 14. What defines the standard for MSDS purpose? Food recipes, chemical safety info, inventory lists, work schedules. Material safety data sheets, now SDS, provide chemical safety details. Question 15. To prevent illness, first step in cleaning and sanitizing must be: sanitize, scrape or remove food bits, Washington rinse. Always scrape food from the surface first. Question 16. Identify the correct statement about condition for bacterial growth: high acidity, moisture, low protein, cold temperature. Bacteria need moisture, water activity, to grow. Question 17. Standard operating procedures for safe temperature for steaks specify 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 145 degrees Fahrenheit 63 degrees Celsius, 155 degrees Fahrenheit, 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Steaks should reach 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 18. A manager must ensure that Listeria risk group is handled by pregnant women, children, teenagers, healthy men. Listeria is especially dangerous for pregnant women and fetuses. Question 19. What is the critical limit for glove changing frequency? Once a day, every 4 hours, every hour, when they get wet. Gloves must be changed every 4 hours during constant use. Question 20. How should a food handler manage consumer advisory requirement? Hot food, allergens, raw/undercooked food, frozen food. Advisories are needed for raw/undercooked items.